Way to go. Banknet fast to begin brushing up Cuccinelli. Down on the inside, Ziklag Federal Court Celestial. Thrill of victory down on the inside, and Prospector Scott is the early trailer. Cuccinelli, backnet, firing round for the lead. And Ziklag racing third from the outside is Federal Court. Down on the inside is Celestial. Rounding the far turn back net, Cuccinelli, Celestial down on the inside, and on the outside, Ziklag Federal Court in between runners as they race the last 500. Back net still leading by a length and a half, Cuccinelli, Celestial from the outside, Ziklag and Federal Court as they race the final corner. Three runners fighting it out for the lead. Backnet in the middle. Cuccinelli is done on the inside. Celestial Ziklag Federal Court Thrill of victory. Entering the finish line. Backnet by ahead. Cuccinelli. But still Backnet. And finally Banknet. Cuccinelli. Celestial Thrill of victory. Ziklag Federal Court and Prospector Scott comes last.